If you're a man over the age of 40, then I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm going to tell you right now. I created this product for Adiva called Prostate 40 Plus. It's very important for you to think about taking every day of your life. I'll tell you why. After the age of 40, inside your prostate gland, the prostate gland starts to more aggressively convert testosterone into a more dangerous type of testosterone called DHT. And when I say it's more dangerous, trust me when I tell you that as DHT builds up, you're setting yourself up for some very serious problems. DHT, what it does is it causes the prostate cells to divide at a faster and faster rate, so the entire mass of the prostate starts to enlarge, which you know is very common. But when those cells are dividing, there's also a greater chance they're going to make some very serious genetic mistakes. Genetic mutations are going to set in. Then you got a whole new set of problems. So if you want to protect your prostate gland or after the age of 40, and I strongly suggest that you get aggressive in this regard, what you want to do is try to help the prostate gland block the conversion of testosterone into DHT. There's an enzyme that makes that happen. It's called the 5-alpha reductase enzyme, big technical word. But you can block that enzyme so that you can't build up the DHT by giving your body some natural agents. And so I looked around the world at all the peer-reviewed research journals to find out what are the most natural and most potent agents that can block that reaction so you don't build up that dangerous DHT. I put all of them into this one product at optimal dosages, and I used the standardized grades of the herbs that have been shown to be useful in the British Journal of Urology, in Lancet, in the Journal of the American Medical Association, and other peer-reviewed journals where we see tremendous efficacy for these particular herbs. What are these herbs? The standardized grade of saw palmetto, Pygeum africanum, soy isoflavones, beta-cytosterol, stinging nettle, and also lycopene and some pumpkin seed extract are also in there to give the prostate some additional support. You see, the problem that I have with some other prostate products that I've seen in the marketplace is that they either don't give you the full complement of the herbs that can be beneficial for the prostate, or they use inferior grades of the herbs. They don't use a standardized grade of saw palmetto and a standardized grade of Pygeum. They don't give you beta-cytosterol. You have to use not just those ingredients, but it has to be the standardized grade so you get the active constituents from those agents actually helping your body in the way that I'm describing. Has got to be a standardized grade. Now, most men know that additional lycopene also acts as an antioxidant in the prostate gland, has been shown to help to protect your prostate health. So I put 25 milligrams of lycopene powder right into this product to give you some additional lycopene. And some of those nutrients also help to support the prostate in ways that are too complicated for me to really explain. The bottom line is simply this. If you're a man and you're over the age of 40 years old, I would strongly, strongly encourage you to take Adiva's Prostate 40 Plus every single day of your life. I take 2 capsules a day. Even if you just took 1 a day, that would probably be sufficient. But I know that prostate problems are rampant among men in North America, and to give myself added protection, I take 2 capsules a day, and I'm very glad that I do. I hope that you'll do the same.